The season shifts, the page turns, a blank canvas, a future waiting to be drawn. Night flees as day breaks, the sun rises, and with it, a new era in its wake. A chorus arises to herald the day, a time of singing to welcome the dawn, to rouse the sleeper, to sound the call. The winter's past, the rain has gone, the sound of his voice invites us on, to venture on those ancient paths, to shake the dust of settled dreams, to dare more boldly, to brave wilder seas, to follow our captain, to forge the way, a new call for a new day. A house arising in pursuit of him, a bride preparing for her king. Doors are open, gates flung wide, that the King of glory may abide. It's time to shine, for your light has come, to arise and display the glorious one. Peoples, nations will come to the light, as his children arise radiant, bright. It's time for the darkness to give way to the dawn. It's time for the rising of those reborn. It's time to let go of the doubts and the fears. It's time to become his pioneers. It's time to embrace the call of our King. It's time that winter yield to spring. It's time to set sail and lose sight of the shore. It's time to discover in him there's more. It's time for his glory to be seen in his house. It's time that his kingdom, his people announce. It's time to go run in pursuit of the prize, because now is the time for his church to arise.